Hey guys, thought I'd take you through the process of restoring this old mirror head. As you can see, there's water damage in the mirror itself. The back, the stainless on the back there, that's got a bit of damage, a few dents, scratches and so forth. We can repair and polish that up, and we'll just restore it. Okay, we'll start by prying off the rubber here. Okay, so this is the mirror out. You can see that it's lost its backing. Get this rubber mold off. The last bit of glue just hanging in there, so rather slice it out rather than damage the rubber. There we go. Looks like that could do with a good cleanup, whether it can be cleaned or whether we need to paint it. We'll work that out. See if we can free up the adjuster that's seized in here, WD-40. Okay, so what we need to do is remove this dent in here, and the way we do that is colour it in around texture, colour it in with texture. And then with a file, we bring up where it's low. We can see it's low here and here. So the challenge will be getting something into here to push it out. This, which will make life a lot easier for us. Okay, so I've repaired the damage that's on the back of the mirror back here. Now what I'm going to do is take it through the steps from using this wheel here, and we'll start to remove all the scratches through to the buff pads and the final polish. Okay, so I've got this about as good as I'm going to get it. We've given it a polish and so forth. This piece here was very brown, sunburnt and so forth. What I did was I hit it with a piece of Wet and Dry 400. I found that worked quite well for getting most of it off, and then just gave it a sheen back with a Autosol metal polish. Any metal polish will probably do the job, and that's brought it up quite nice. There's probably a few little bits and pieces. I might continue to work on those bits. The mirror, as you remember, was pretty much completely stuffed. I mean, it's not much backing on it left at all. So what I did, I took that down as a template and got another one cut from a glazier there. And so that'll be our mirror, and we'll go about putting it all back together. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get the mirror back into the rubber here, and what I will do is, just to make sure it stays in place, I'll just add a little bit of clear silicone just in a couple of spots. And hopefully without breaking the mirror, think for the back here I'll use a bit of araldite and just glue that into place. Prepsol just to clean off finger marks. Get off the front there. Okay, so there you go guys, that's my process to restoring an old mirror. Hopefully you got something out of this. If you did, feel free to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next how-to.